Made of is when the material is still recognizable, but made from is when the material is completely changed. Let's practice with the first six questions. Number one, the chair is blank wood. Well, when we look at the chair, we can still clearly see and feel the wood. It hasn't really changed into something new. So the best answer is made of. So it becomes the chair is made of wood. Easy, right? Next up, number two, paper is blank trees. When trees are turned into paper, they look totally different. You don't see leaves or branches anymore. The material has changed, so the answer is made from. The whole sentence is paper is made from trees. Great job! Number three, why is blank grapes? Do you still see grapes floating in your glass? Nope. They have been crushed and transformed into something new. So it's made from. Why is made from grapes? Cheers to that, but remember no drinking in class. Now number four. The ring is blank. Is blank gold. Gold looks the same, shiny and golden. Whether it's in a nugget or a ring. So the answer is made of. The ring is made of gold. Bling bling. Moving on, number five. Bread is blank flour. You don't see the flour anymore once it's baked. It's transformed into bread. That means the answer is made from. Bread is made from flour. Tasty, tasty. Number six. The shirt is blank cotton. Cotton from plants is spun into thread, but we still recognize it as cotton cloth, not something entirely new. So the answer is made of. The shirt is made of cotton. Looking sharp. So to recap, made of means the material stays recognizable, and made from means it's transformed into something new. Now it's your turn. Do the extra exercise. Questions 7 through 12, and then check your answers in the key. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.